Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Thursday, the 16th of May. The euro has rebounded after twice finding strong support at 128.40. The single currency is now currently at 128.74 against the dollar, and it will look for positive CPI index releases later today to possibly push it lower. The US dollar is bullish against the Japanese yen, having touched 102.75. It then corrected to 102.03 before finally reaching 102.34. The dollar will be tested today as unemployment claims and the Philadelphia Manufacturing Index comes out this afternoon. Look out for further dollar strength as the Fed's policy delivers results in the real economy. After a long slide, gold has managed to stabilise itself just above $1,390 per ounce. Look out for further weakness in the precious metal as news of more hedge funds, including George Soros, are cutting their positions on the metal. Equities edge higher, pulled up by positive US growth. The US 500, tracking the 500 largest US corporations, found resistance yesterday at 1659 and is currently trading at around 1652. Watch out for further upsides should positive data come out of the US this afternoon. WTI crude dropped to a two-week low yesterday, touching 92.13 before correcting to 93.81. The energy markets came under scrutiny recently as investigations started on major oil producers and traders. Look for further upsides as unemployment claims in the US are reduced, boosting demand for energy. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 129.15 with a preference to enter in short positions at 129.15. The dollar-yen pivot points at 101.75 with a preference to enter into long positions at 101.90. The Aussie-dollar pivot points at 0.9915 with a preference to enter in short positions at 0.9915. The sterling-dollar pivot point is at 152.75 with a preference to enter in short positions at 152.75. And the dollar-CAD pivot point is at 101.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 101.50. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 92.10 with a preference to enter into long positions at 92.10. The gold pivot points at 1418 with a preference to enter short positions at 1418. The silver pivot points at 22.45 with a preference to enter into long positions at 22.45. The US 500 is at 1645 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1645. And the UK 100 is at 6600 with a preference to enter into long positions at 6600. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. At 9 GMT in Europe, we have the EU Consumer Price Index year-on-year forecast to rise by 0.2%. At 12:30 GMT in the US, we have the unemployment claims expected at 332,000. And at 1400 GMT also in the US, we have the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index expected at 2.5. And our interesting pair today is the Aussie dollar versus the US dollar. The Australian dollar broke below its support at 0.9858 against the US dollar, looking for lower lows. The Aussie finally broke after exports to China were put under pressure due to the global slowdown in demand. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.